let's get a true understanding of similar figures, right? What do we know about this triangle and this triangle right here? We know that triangle DEF, this one, is similar to triangle MNP, this one right over here. Well, what does that mean when two things are similar? It could be a triangle, it could be a rectangle, any kind of polygon, right? Any type of shape that is similar to another. We know they got corresponding parts, and those corresponding parts are proportional. And because they're proportional, that's what's going to allow us to determine what the value of x is right here in this problem, because they're going to have corresponding angles, they're going to have corresponding side lengths. So what we do is we just write a proportion. For example, let's say side MN, over DE. MN and DE are corresponding parts. So we can just set it up by putting these two over the other, and getting that ratio is going to be proportional right over here to whatever we set up. But we got to use corresponding parts. These sides right here are corresponding. These sides right here are corresponding, and we haven't used those yet. We're trying to determine the value of x, so we probably want to have x in that equation. We're going to set our proportion up right here. Now I'm going to put what part on top? Should I put NP or should I put EF? Well, on top on the left side I have MN. It's up on the top. So I want to make sure I'm taking from the same triangle. Let's go 30 over x, which would be NP over EF. So one more time, let's take a quick look at that. We've got this side length right here corresponding to this side length right here. We're dividing those two values to get that ratio, which is going to be proportional to this side length right here divided by this side length right here, which is also a corresponding side length. So we set that up. Now let's just change each one of these parts to numbers. So MN is 18. We're going to say 18 over DE, which is DE 15. 15 is equal to NP 30 over x. Now I got 18 over 15 equal to 30 over x. We can just cross multiply right here. 18 times x gives me 18x equal to 30 times 15, which is going to be 450. Divided by 18. Divided by 18. X is equal to 25. This side length right here is 25 units. Hopefully that makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.